Here we go. Nicholas and Benedict, I found this design on the web and I knew right away that you needed one for yourselves. You listening? Please be sure to share it with each other and your friends, but most of all, be sure to play it for Papa.
Whoa.
It is a toy, but it's also a musical instrument. Each tongue is tuned by its size and shape. See if you can learn which tongue creates which note. Have fun and make some music.
Cool.
Here, get one of these.
Hey.
It makes them, each tongue has its own note.
Can you feel it?